Namaste and good morning everyone. I am Sir Mahesh, presently working with the Hayat Residency Kathmandu as a social and I am going to participate the Mithila Festival USA 2022 and I am going to make two dish. One is Aloo Chop as a starter and one is Kari Bari. Because of the Nepali New Year is today, so we are projecting Kari Bari with rice. So we are going to make a curry bari and let's go for the cooking and now for the live. So today I am going to make a curry bari. So here is a bari mixer. First we have to make the bari mixer. We have a gram powder. So and that. So we have to add some salt, some turmeric powder and some red chili powder and we have to take the water and mix it properly. So the bari mixture should be consistency should be good. Now we are mixing. So I am mixing here for the bari. In Mithila culture, kari bari, when the New Year coming, that time we are eating because it's a base of yogurt and temper with some aromatic spice. Kari bari is a very famous dish from the Nepal, India. It's a Mithilanchal. It's a Mithilanchal. It's some part of the Nepal and some part of the India also. So our mixture is going to ready. Sorry. And let's keep some time. So it takes time for the improving and then we have to go for the oil heat and fry it. Yeah, that's we are going to heat the oil. So now it's the oil is getting heat. Then we have to apply the mixture of the body. So it take time 2 to 3 minutes to oil with the oil.
3.
So already oil is heated. So we have to fry the body. Already mixture is also good. So it should be round. Bari itself. Bari itself. Sometimes shape is long also. It's cooked well. Because of every time the kari bari is eating it, so when the new year will come, that time we have to search for the guest also. When the Mithila culture guest will come, that time also kari bari we have to serve. cook from the inside. Curry size should be medium because they will contain the curry also. So color is also it's good. Now we are going to then here. Yeah, it's going to ready. Body, it's a round shape. So body it's already ready. Already body is ready, so then we have to off the heat and let's go for the next process. So we are going for the next process because we are making the curry. So first we take the curd, it's a plain curd. It's plain curd. So we have to mix well because when the curd is well mixed, we have to mix properly. Already proper mix. So now with some gram flour and for the thickening and it's for the combining also. So it's properly mixed. Our mixture is going to ready. We have to put some turmeric powder also. So mixture it's in color. Yes, yeah, its mixture is ready. Yeah, it's let's go for the next process. We have to heat the pan and add the curry. Let's again heat the oil. Okay. So we have now gone for the curry process with the pan. Let's heat the oil. Already flattened already. Okay. So put some oil, then some cumin seed and 3 pieces of red chili and have to mix properly because curry is here. We have mixer, so we have to pour the mixture. Okay. And slow cook. We have to make slow. Okay. Slowly. If consistency should be little thick. Then we have to add some water also. So it's consistency will come, and then we have to cook slowly. Slowly we have to cook. When the bubble will come, we have to add some turmeric powder also. Some red chili powder. So already we put some red chili powder and turmeric powder, so its color should be fine. And slowly we have to cook. Yeah, this consistency. We have to put some salt also. Salt as per taste or as per taste. Depend on the food, how much they will need salt. So depend on taste. Salt as per taste. So let's see. Our color is also fine, and it's already looking white. Curry. Slowly it's going to simmer. Yogurt should be not turned. It's if you go for the high, its color should be damaged. So we have to go for the slowly. Slowly. And it's going to boil. It's already boiling. Now we have to add some bari in that. See, already our bari is ready. So we apply the bari in the mixer and let's cook some time. Then bari should be spongy and the curry cooked properly. Yeah, so you see color also it's proper and it's already cooked. Our bari is also it's soft. See, and we have to garnish with some coriander leaf. Let's go for the presentation part. So now we have to close the heat and let's go for the presentation. Portion ball. We have to put the so we have to garnish the curry bari, for the portion side should be it's good and color should be like that. When the in Mithilanchal Jur Sital will come, that time we have to make the curry bari. Curry bari is a very delicious food and very good. Namaste. Namaste. Today again we have to go aloo chop. It's a very famous dish from the Mithila. When I am evening time or as a starter, we are always using the aloo chop, patri bari. So aloo chop is nowadays very most important. We are eating with the taste of aloo chop also, or we have to accompaniment with the puffed rice and some children. So already there is a fry pan. Let's heat it. We add some cooking oil. Then some green chili. And saute sometime. Then we have some chili also. And 2-3 pieces of red chili. Both. Now we have to cook properly. Okay. Current should be little golden brown. Then we have already mashed the egg. Yeah. Then already we have mixed the potato, mashed potato, and we have to add the some potato mixture. And mix it properly. We have to add some turmeric powder, and slowly mix it. Then add some peanut. Then we have red chili, and we have a mixture of some green pea, and mix it properly. When mixture is ready, so that time we have to make it, and add some salt as a to taste. Now our mixture is going to complete. Mixture is going to ready. So we should put some coriander leaf also. Already our mixture is ready. So already we are making the some aloo chop mixture. Okay. So aloo chop mixture already we have some green gram powder, salt, pepper, oil, coriander, some powder and coriander leaf, and mixture of the for the batter. So it's a aloo chop batter. It's called fry batter also. I have to that one for the fry batter. And let's move for the next step. So make the shape and size. Yeah. So already our aloo chop mixture is ready. So we have to make the shape and size. So at least one portion or 4 piece or 3 piece. So it's already our mixture is already ready. So we have to make the round shape. Okay. So you need that is a like that. You have to make some shape size. It's a round shape. Oh yeah, it's a continue. We have to make the shape size like that. Okay. If we go for the portion size, then 4 portion, it's for the 1 people it's okay. Yeah, so now we have to go try for the aloo chop step by step. So now already you know it's oil is already heated. So that is the mixture is also already. So we have to one by one. We have to pour in mixture and we have to fry it. So slowly, one by one, you have to try it. It's going to see the color should be like that, and it's like a golden color and round shape. Okay, so slowly we have to cook the aloo chop. Yeah, it's getting a color. Ready? Aloo chop. As per condition, its color should be golden brown. So it's going slowly. Already it's a cook, it's a golden color. So now we have to stir it properly. Okay. Yeah. Then we have to off the oil and let's go for the presentation part. Let's go for the presentation part. We have to put the aloo chop. If you are the hotel industry or any student, if you are working, you have to make any food for the portion, right? So we have to make it's a one portion. So okay. And now 1, 2, and 4. Yeah. So some on the top we have to put some coriander also. We have for the garnish we have some Nepali herbs. So we can put on the top. Yeah. For the garnish, so you know that already our aloo chop is ready. So we have to go for that one starter. So we have to eat with the as a nowadays fried with some fried vegan rice also. So depending on the people, they will eat as a starter also. And it's a very famous from the Mithila. It's like a starter that is called aloo chop.